AMP cost commonly equivalent to $0.0023 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0023. 0.0024 in an especially enormous way. The earlier day close, 0.0023, which by and large is very critical. The change explicitly was 0.0000, 0.00%, or so they truly thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to AMP in a sort of enormous manner. AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they really thought. AMP cost expectation on Monday, July 31, cost $0.0022, genuinely most extreme 0.0024, sort of least 0.0020 in a quite large manner. AMP figure on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.0020, genuinely greatest 0.0021, genuinely least 0.0019, which generally is very huge. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.0023, especially most extreme 0.0025, kind of least 0.0021 in an unpretentious way. AMP conjecture on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.0025, genuinely most extreme 0.0027, by and large least 0.0023 in an unpretentious manner. AMP value expectation 2023. 2024-2027. In multi-week AMP cost expectation on Friday, August 4, cost $0.0025, most certainly greatest 0.0027, essentially least 0.0023, which sort of is genuinely huge. AMP estimate on Monday, August 7, cost $0.0025, sort of most extreme 0.0027, kind of least 0.0023, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.0023, especially most extreme 0.0025, exceptionally least 0.0021, which truly is genuinely huge. AMP figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.0026, by and large most extreme 0.0028, exceptionally least 0.0024 in a really significant way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.0026, exceptionally greatest 0.0028, for the most part least 0.0024, which explicitly is very huge. In about 14 days AMP estimate on Friday, August 11, cost $0.0026, kind of most extreme 0.0028 in every practical sense, least 0.0024, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP cost expectation on Monday, August 14, cost $0.0026 in every practical sense, greatest 0.0028, essentially least 0.0024, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP gauge on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.0025, fundamentally most extreme 0.0027, sort of least 0.0023 in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.0025, really greatest 0.0027, fundamentally least 0.0023, which basically is very huge. AMP figure on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.0025, genuinely most extreme 0.0027, lovely least 0.0023, showing how AMP cost expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.0026, beautiful greatest 0.0028, beautiful least 0.0024, which is very critical. In 3 weeks AMP cost expectation on Friday, August 18, cost $0.0027, sort of greatest 0.0029, sort of least 0.0025 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Monday, August 21, cost $0.0027, lovely greatest 0.0029, most certainly least 0.0025, which really shows that AMP value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.0027, for the most part greatest 0.0029 in every practical sense, least 0.0025, showing that in about 14 days AMP estimate on Friday, August 11, cost $0.0026, genuinely greatest 0.0028, really least 0.0024 in a sort of significant manner. AMP estimate on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.0027 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.0029, truly least 0.0025, showing how AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.0025, by and large greatest 0.0027, kind of least 0.0023, which generally is genuinely critical. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.0027, lovely most extreme 0.0029, truly least 0.0025 in every practical sense. Further appearance, how AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.0025, truly greatest 0.0027, especially least 0.0023, or so they certainly thought. In about a month AMP figure on Friday, August 25, cost $0.0027, especially most extreme 0.0029, by and large least 0.0025, or so they explicitly thought. AMP cost expectation on Monday, August 28, cost $0.0027, for the most part greatest 0.0029, sort of least 0.0025, which truly is very critical. AMP figure on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.0026, greatest 0.0028, especially least 0.0024, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to AMP today. United States dollars to AMP swapping scale essentially equivalent to 429.18 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. Today's reach, 416.67 to 438.60, so AMP estimate on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.0025, really most extreme 0.0027, by and large least 0.0023 in an unpretentious manner. The past day's nearby, 427.35 in an unpretentious way, change for now plus 1.83, plus 0.43%, so AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.0023, exceptionally most extreme 0.0025, by and large least 0.0021 amazingly. Dollar to AMP estimate on Monday, July 31, cost 454.55 coins, extremely greatest 500.00, really least 416.67 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to AMP expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost 500.00 coins, kind of most extreme 526.32, least 476.19. Which is very huge. Dollar to AMP conjecture on Wednesday, August 2, cost 434.78 coins, especially greatest 400